Hello friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Neha and today's video is beneficial for everyone who wants to become a fluent English speaker. Friends, if you are really interested to speak English and fascinated about English, then this video is definitely for you guys. So watch it till the end.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time.
Okay friends, welcome to the first rule or the first tip for excellent English speaking. Now this whole video is going to tell you very different way of learning English. And if you follow each and every rules sincerely, then I promise you, your English speaking will improve a lot. And you will enjoy speaking English, you feel more confident. So let's get started. The first rule is to listen English. Yes friends, you should listen lots of English conversations every day. Guys, speaking comes after listening. So that's why you need to listen more English. You can listen English news or watch English cartoons, movies, songs, lectures, anything or everything that you want to. Okay? Just listen whatever you want to. No condition at all. Only condition is to listen. Listening is the way through which you improve your speaking. When you start to listen English every day, after 6 to 12 months, you will find yourself started to speak English automatically. But it may vary depending on the person. Correct phrases and words will be at teeth of your tongue, and you will not have to think of it before speaking, just the way you don't think while you speak your mother tongue. You don't have to think about vocabulary, translations and grammar rules. Same way this will happen while speaking English. Friends, there are so many different ways that you can use, okay? You could listen to yourself sometimes. For example, you can read any book loudly and record your voice for 4 to 5 minutes and play that back. Listen to the recording, listen to your pronunciations. Try and work on that. Read something loudly again and record yourself and listen to that recording. This will really help you. This is a good practice to improve your English by listening to yourself. If you are music lover, you enjoy listening music, so this one is going to be extremely easy for you. Just listen to some of your favorite English songs and try to speak and understand the meaning of lyrics while you are listening to the song. Go on YouTube and search your favorite English songs with lyrics and try to speak that lyrics and try to understand the meaning. Okay? You can watch English cartoons and don't be sad about doing that. Don't think that I'm not a child to watch cartoons. Don't be sad. Just go ahead and do that. I will tell you why. The reason because the language that is used in these cartoons videos is of course for children. So no big words are used and no advanced and hard English are used. Instant simple English is used which children can understand. Friends, this way you build your listening skill and eventually you will end up having so many new words for yourself. So go ahead and do that. Okay friends, keep smiling, keep practicing. Bye.